Introduction. Kindle has become huge over the last few years. Everywhere you go, you see people holding their Kindles and being engrossed the reading, and it has become equally as popular as an online business model. People from all around the world have written ebook and turned themselves into publicity author, and in this report we are going to discuss why it is become so popular and how you can join them too. You might not see yourself as an author, but as we are going to discuss, writing a book doesn't have to be as difficult as you might imagine. The truth is that Kindle can be great business to get into for many people, and as well as having the fun of seeing your book on the virtual shelves, it can also extremely lucrative too. Without a future ad, let's get into why has Kindle become so popular with user. Whether you are going train bus or sitting in the park, you are always seeing people reading the Kindle. Quite honestly, it is massive and it is probably only going to get even more so over the next few years. But why has it become so popular? When the idea of reader first came about, many people scoffed at the concept and said that they wouldn't take off because people would always prefer reading from the traditional book. They argued that part of the reading experience is turning the page and seeing lots of book on your shelf at home. Perhaps a key reason for kindly popularity is that you can store an entire library of books on one small portable device. It doesn't matter whether you have got two books or 100 books stored on your kindly, it will still take up exactly the same amount of space in your bag, meaning that you can take your entire book collection with you wherever you go. Along a similar line is that with kindly you can purchase book at the touch of bottom. Let's say you are browsing the internet can one day and came across new book that you really want to read. Before the before the days of Kindle you would have to order it and wait for it be delivery, or you would need to pop up to shop and pick yourself a copy. With a Kindle you can purchase the book at a touch of bottom and have it sitting on your device just a minute later. Of course, there are some disadvantages to Kindle. Books with lots of images, for example, can be better when you are got hard copy. However, in recent years, Kindle has come up with their Fire device to combat this somewhat. These Kindle are now fulfill functioning table computers that completely device such as Apple iPad, thus introducing Kindle to a whole new audience and expanding the possibility considerable. For reason why should get into Kindle. As we have mentioned, publishing on Kindle is very popular phenomenon nowadays. Multiple writers opting to get into Kindle to publish their books, but why should you get into Kindle? Well, here are four good reasons. You are in control of your publishing fate. Publishing on Kindle is the best mode of self-publishing you can have. If you are try to publish in the traditional way, then you might have to wait for months and years to get your manuscript approved and get to good deal and publishing the book. In the world of publishing, the more you wait, the more money you lose. The issue is taken care of if you opt for Kindle publishing here, since you are self-publishing the book. You do not have to waste too much time over running from one publishing house to another. You also have the control over making change to the book whenever you need to. Kindle publishing is easy. Publishing on Kindle is as easy as it get. You can get started whenever you wish to and publish your book on Kindle. The tools provided are simple to un- understand and all over write your book and MS Word and then follow some people step to publish it. You can publish your book along with necessary formatting and editing in just half an hour. It cannot get easy than this. You get decent royalty. Hundreds of people are opting for Kindle not just for its conversation for publish worldwide reach. Kindle also give you the opportunity to earn very good royalty on your published ebooks. So if your thought and that publish on Kindle would be a monetary loss, then you are mistaken. You can reach a wide audience. People spend more time online than they do anywhere else. We are digital connected all the time, so it makes sense to publish your book on digital platform where thousands of people log in every day to check what's new. You can install market your book worldwide. Hence, if you get into Kindle and publish your book, then you will get instant access to the huge digital crowd and thereby reap the benefit. The Kindle advantage. Reading will never be out of fashion. Hence, right will always find their place on the readers' shelf lists if you only they can reach them. Years ago, become a publishing right meant going in circle from one publishing house to another and depositing copy of your manuscript for them to read. It would take months and often years to get the manuscript approved, edited, and published into books. The same process still exists, of course, but with Kindle it can be much easier. Kindle books take less time to publish. Think about the month that you might have to spend trying to convince to publishing house to publish your book. Now think about publishing that book of yours in ebook form in under an hour, which seem to be better option. One of the biggest advantages of Kindle publishing lie in the fact that you will not have to be at mercy of publishing house to get your book published. This is a huge benefit as long losing time is equal to losing money in the publishing world. You do not even have to be teach expert to publishing your book in Kindle. You can just write out your book in MS Word. Once on Kindle, you can simple follow the instruction giving there to edit and format your file. Thereafter, you can publish your book ebook and all this super fast process. So your book is out there in the market sooner and within the reach of all your potential readers. Kindle books are easier to market than hard copy book. When you publish a hard copy book, right publishing house, the house take the responsibility of marketing the book through various book launched and interview and book practice. But if you are on your one and are thinking about self-publishing your book, then marketing might be the biggest hurdle you will encounter. However, if you decide to publish a Kindle ebook, then your marketing trouble will be simplified by a larger extent. On the digital platform, it is easier to spread the word. The moment you publish a book on Kindle, it become accessible to thousands and thousands of readers. Hence, your book can have worldwide reach within an hour of publishing on Kindle, something that hard copy cannot claim to attain so easily. Book publishing has never been this easy or profitable. How to come up with the ideas for Kindle book? So I have convinced you that Kindle is good way forward. Now it's time to get going and started publishing some books. But hang on just a minute. What can I write? I have not got any ideas. Coming up with good books idea is a must. In order to be a success, so Kindle, your book idea need to be the best. Everyday numerous author are publishing book on Kindle. So in order to complete, you need to have book idea which will be different and will interested in the readers. Coming up with viable book ideal many seem like an easy concept, but it is not. It takes quite some hard work. There are needed a particular way to which you can sum up with decent idea to Kindle books. Do your research. One of the best way of starting your research is having dig round in the Kindle store. Here are will find list of better sellers that have been tremendously successful. So there must be something in this book idea that worked with the reader. Hence, a good way to come up with good idea for Kindle books is to reach more on what has already worked on Kindle. The best way to do this by first picking a generic of topic you wish to write on the then going through the particular category of related category of book on Kindle. When you go so you would find the book description as well as the reader review. This will help you research on what kind of books have already been written on the topic and what is the reader liked and did not like. This way you will able to get good idea on what exactly your book should be on. You can also research all over the internet on your chosen genre and any related information. The more you research, the more refined you get in your choice of ideas for your kindly Kindle following trends. Trends come and go, but there are always particular topics which are hot at present time. So make it your job to always know what the current trend are. You will find trend is genre or current topic or even popular incident. Find out what is popular among reader now and then modify it accounting to your style or written or topic of your choice. This way you can retain your originate while getting new viable idea for your Kindle. Brainstorm and discuss your idea. It is easy to feel stressed or overwhelmed when thinking of new idea for your Kindle book all, all alone. In time like this, brainstorming can needed make it task easy for you. The key to written and good Kindle book is finding the perfect niche for yourself for this. You must soak in as much information as possible from the internet, others' book, etc. Then discuss it out with your piece, other wish or expert in that field your wish to write about. The more people you talk to, the discuss with, the more idea you will get about topic or generic that truly interest you. Although it is important to make sure that your book subject actually has market, this obviously no point in writing something nobody is interested in. It is also worth to consider whether you actually have an interest in the topic. Well written book or the ones which the writing had fun written. Unless you enjoy the writing process, the book will seem dull for forced. However, many writers make the mistake of picking up a genre of topic they are not interested in. That may be okay if you are outsourcing your book written to a ghostwriting cover letter. But if you are writing yourself, then it is really no use picking something you actually hate writing. Creating a book. creating the book. By now, you have hopefully come up with some idea for a book and picked a topic. By the way, don't spend forever and day making your mind up. Although it is important to carefully do your research, there has to become a point when you just say, okay, this is what I am going on write my book about. Many people worry so much about choosing the right topic that they never actually make a decision. Do a reasonable amount of research and then once you are pretty convinced there is some kind of market interest in the topic, then just go with it. Write it yourself or outsource it. Okay, so when it came down to creating your book, you can either write it yourself or get someone else to write it for you. Let's tackle the first one, writing it yourself. If you're good at writing, then this is ideally option because it allows you to inject your own personality and experience into the book. In addition, wouldn't it be more satisfying to publish a book that you personal worth? If you go down this route, then you need to make your writing interesting. Write with personality. Every write has a certain personality and tone quality which the reader connects with. The worst thing you can do your writing so it to write in even dual tone or try to copy the tone of some other write. In order to be interesting, your writing must have a voice of its own. In order to make your Kindle book more interesting, work on developing a personality for your writing. Research a lot. If you want to write a well throughout book, you cannot avoid research. Throughout researching is very right best friend. As they say in the literary world, God is in the details. You cannot possibly get the details right if you do not research properly. So make it point to talk to different people, read a lot and find out more about the topic or genre you wish to write on. If you are writing a function book that develop a good plot with strong character, the sessions of book is in it is plot and characters develop an interesting plot that will keep your reader hooked. Create a realistic and interesting characters out of your imagination or instructions with different people. The more you keep your character related, the more interesting your book will be. Double check spelling and grammar. This is often understanding point, but the importance of good spelling and grammar is paramount. The moment people discover grammatical or spelling mistake in your Kindle book, they will write you off as an don't think you are right. Here, how to get Kindle book written without written it yourself. Not everyone has the desire or skill to write a book. It certainly takes quite a lot of skill and patience to write an entire book, even if it is related short. The good news, however, is that you don't have to be right in order to take advantage of Kindle. You can earn from publishing book on Kindle even if you do not write them yourself. Kindle, you are basically a publisher. In the traditional publishing world, one can easily tell the difference between the writer and the publisher. The writer is the one who put together a book and submit the manuscript to the publishing house. Here the publisher is in the charge of publishing the book and also making all the marketing and promoting effort. But when it comes to Kindle publishing, these lines get blurred. Here are self-publishing the book. Hence, even if you write the whole thing, you are still responsible for all the marketing or promoting tasks, without which your book will simply not sell. Since the job mainly need you to be the publisher, your opportunity to earn without writing written is the right here. Get another write your book. Ghostwriting is a very popular service provided by a number of independent writers. In simple terms, ghostwriting means that the writer the entire book but does not put his or her name on it. So you can simply hire a ghostwriter to write a book of whichever topic you wish to. You have to pay the ghost writer the fee they ask for. Once the final draft is ready, you can publish the book on Kindle. Make sure the writer you choose does justice to the book. The first few pages of book is often given as free simple or on Kindle to attract the reader who will read that and want to buy the entire book. In order to sell much more book on Kindle, the book itself has to be well written and attractive. Double your marketing efforts. When you use a ghostwriter, you also have better sense of focusing more on the marketing and promotion part. So focus on giving the book an attractive cover. Have a great title. Discuss about the book on social networking site, discussion forums and blogs. You can even start a dedicated website for the book. Along with that, decided the price at which you would like to sell the book and the country's bearer would want to make it available. This way you will be able to accelerate your sales and earn good money without writing the Kindle book yourself. Also consider the halfway house. What if you want to write the book yourself but you just find the prospect too daunting? The good news is that the third option that is use PLR material as a starting point. PLR is where you purchase the right to a per written ebook or content. This right allow you to change the content. You write it, add your name as the author, and basically sell it as though it was your own. PLR license do vary, however, so it's important to check exactly what you are not allowed to do. PLR is not allowed on Kindle. Kind. PLR material actually is not allowed on Kindle, but that doesn't necessarily means that you can't use it at all. You can't use it as is, but what about buying a PLR ebook then completely rewriting in adding your own experience, any coded etc. You would need to completely rewrite it and make it totally unrecognizable original, but that best way to use PLR anyway. Simple use the PLR material to give you an idea of what to write about. Publishing your book on Kindle. By this stage, you have got a ebook that you want to sell on Kindle. Now it's time to publish it. Formatting and editing your ebook. Before you get into the process of submit your book on Kindle, you need to get the final draft of the book reader ready. For this purpose, to a through formatting and editing of your book, wherever you require do the completely grammar and spelling check. Make sure your book format is compatible with Kindle. Kindle accepts MS Word, HTML, MOBI, EPUB, text of PDF format. If your book file is in any other format, then change it to one of these formats. Sign up on the digital text platform. The digital text platform or DTP is what will allow you to publish your book on Amazon Kindle. If you publish your ebook through this platform, it will be available on Kindle for purchase by this reader, and you will also be eligible to earn the royalty. Your book will be available on Kindle application in an array of systems like Android, Windows, BlackBerry, Macs, etc. So you need to sign into the Amazon account. Once you sign in, you will have to provide the completely seller information. Since you intended to sell book here, seller information bill including the name of publisher, you tax information, and also the payment information. Once your details are saved, you will be ready for publishing. Add the book. The next step now is to add the book. Click on the add new title icon and fill out the details of the book. You have to fill out the title of the book, who are the writing, and the contributor who helped create the book. Contributor may include illustration, editor, photographic, etc. Thereafter, you need to fill in the short description about the book. Lastly, you will need to put in the publishing details of the book, that is, the language in which it is being published, the date on which it is being published, the name of the publisher, etc. Adding the other details. When submitted the Kindle book, there are a lot of other areas that need to be taken care of. You need to upload the cover image. You will need to set the publishing right for your book. You have to specify whether your book contests in of publishing domain, whether you have necessary copyright. This will affect the royalty you get from the book. Also, you will have to choose your publishing territory, that is very in the worldwide network do you want your book to be available. This will affect the sales of your book, as a particular country tend to be a better market for a particular type of book. You also have to set right of digital management for your book. Set the pricing. After the above steps, next coming pricing. You have to set the price at which you wish to sell the book. You also have to set the royalty. If your book has published domain publishing right, then it will be eligible for 35% royalty. If it is copyright, then it will get 70% royalty. So make your choice accordingly. Submit the book. Once all the above steps are completed, your book will be ready for submission on Kindle. All you have to do now is click on submit and your book will be submitted. It will go through and review by Amazon first, and if approved, it will be available on Kindle store. Promoting your Kindle book. Publishing to Kindle is relatively easy, but once it out there, you are going to have to market it. Without marketing is basically like creating a website and expecting visitor to come to you. So in order to be successful, your book also need to be marketed well. In case or traditional publishing house, the task of marketing is usually taken up by the house itself. But here, since you are self-publishing, the marketing part has to be handled by you. Given below are 5 easy ways to promote your Kindle book. Utilize the social networking site. There is a reason social network marketing is such a rag today. Almost everyone is active is and list a social networking site today. It is where the buzz about the newest product goes on. And being taken about on social networking site is the best thing that can happen to your Kindle book. So before you even upload the Kindle books, make it a point to set up account in this site and build a good friend list. Sign up in the various forms website and join the conversation going on. Make yourself as well acquainted as possible. Once your book is published on Kindle, advertise it on the social network, including the link in your signature on forms or even email. Create a Facebook page or tweet about it. Use your blogs. As a possible, your blog can be one of your biggest weapon to promote your Kindle book. If you maintain a steady blog, then you would have built up a steady readership too. Advertise your book extensively on your blog. Take a good picture and post them. Make it look like virtual launch of your Kindle book. You can also promote over video chatting platform like Skype or upload a video of it on YouTube and including a link on your blog. Have a free promotional sale. When you publish your book and Kindle, you often get limit period promotional fee sale. Utilize this day to Falstead announcing the promotional sale of Kindle book for free over the social network site as well as your one blogging platform. There are also various platforms which focus only one book or and reading like good reader. Make sure to promote ex- extensively on this platform as you will get much more prospective reader here. Offer books for review. This is yet another good way of utilizing the digital space for promoting your Kindle book. Books which have review are often bought more than the books without any review. Review means that the book has been read and recommended by someone. The power of word of mouth plays a big role here. So find some people who are willing to read and review your Kindle book. They can post the review on Amazon or even on the region personal blog website if they have any. This is great way to ask a fellow blogger to review your blog book and write a post it on their blog or guest post on your blog. If you get any negative review, then be graceful about it and do not attack the reviewer. The key is to get as many reviews as possible so that the word about your book reach far and wide. Create a website for the book. For a more focused promotions of your Kindle book, one of your best way can be to create a website focusing solely on the book. The website can be completely based on the book. You can add additional feature like newsletter which the reader can sign up for and get for free. On this website you can keep posting picture of the book, review that the book may have received or any upcoming offer on the book. You can also including a discussing form. This way more and more people will get to know about your Kindle book and your promotional task will be done successfully. Growing your Kindle empire by publishing more related books. As we have discussed, there was time when become a publishing author would take years to be a related. It it would take months of going back and forth with publishing houses to get one big publishing. Well, the times have changed, and with that, the possibility have changed too. Successful author publishes related books. Say you published your first ebook and Kindle and it become a runaway success. You will no doubt earn a lot of royalty, but every day new books are being added to Kindle. It would only be a matter of time until your book fades way to a background and some other neat book takes its place. It is why it is very important to keep going on the reader radar. One way of doing this by keeping marketing about your book on various digital platforms like social networking site and discussing forums. You can even start a website solely based on your book. But all the above sort and bound to fizzle out fitter sometime, and you cannot really establish yourself as a writing in your reader mind by publishing just on book. Hence, successful author always move on to publishing more books which are in some way related to their first book. Related books help the audience to recognize and connect it. In order to be a stable author, you have to have decent number of book to your name. Written related book to add on onto your list of published book gives you that currently. When you write related book on publish them, they come off often then related reader research for book of the particular genre. So instead of dependent on one book to catch your reader easy, you will have multiple books. This will put the wooded in your favor. Also, having related book established as your right of the particular genre of topic. This means that your reader start connecting you with genre and hence whenever they want to read a book of the genre they would look off or recommend it to you to friends. It is very important to establish such connections in your reader mind as that will substantial lead to multiple sale of your book on Kindle. Then there is also the matter of earning more royalty. It is no surprise that the more books you have no Kindle store, more will be your change of earning a good monthly or annual figure. Instead of depending on flow of royalty for one book, you will be getting it for multiple books. This way you can really build off your Kindle book empire and become an stable and high earning publishing author. It can also help you in your marketing effort if you have a separate blog or website, thereby multiplying your. Where is Kindle publishing heading in the future? Kindle book vs hard copy books, the present reality. The present scenario of Kindle books is extremely positive. It is a fact that hard copy books will never really go out of style. But thanks to devices like Kindle, the demand of ebooks are one of all-time high. The sales for print book have come down considerable compared to the last decade and the sales of ebook are breaking all records. Since most of the world population remain active on the digital platform, it is easy to see why they would want to opt for the conversion of ebooks. This ebook can be easy borrowed through and bought on the Kindle store or be read on the digital device anywhere. This ebook do not take up any physical storage space either. So they will remain to be a popular option among buyers. As for the Kindle publisher, the market has never been this good. They are opting the Kindle publishing due to numerous reasons. The biggest advantage of Kindle publishing lie in the fact that you will not have to be at mercy of publishing house to get your book published. So you do not lose unnecessary time and money over such publishing efforts. You can publishing your book in Kindle with all the formatting and editing done in under an hour. There is also the added advantage of being able to reach a wider read base within the short time. Kindle by itself is highly established ebook reading platform with a huge numbers of users. The moment you publish a book on Kindle, it becomes accessible to thousands of readers around the world, that too within hours of publishing it on Kindle. The future of Kindle publishing. There is no denying the fact that printed book will never be obsoleted. There will always be book lovers who love physical sensation of holding a book and building a collections. But with the repaid separate future developing of technology, it can be safely assumed that the sales of ebook and developing of self-publishing portals like Kindle will be on the rise too. To put it sectionally kindly, Kindle publishing reading toward prosperous future. Conclusion. Kindle provided many opportunities for individual author and publisher, and it looks as though the Kindle phenomenon is here to stay. As well have discussed, Kindle provides many advantages over traditional publishing. Put simple, it has never before in history been easier to publish book than it is today. What's more, Kindle makes it easy to reach a potential worldwide audience in record time. As you can see, one of the cornerstone of success with Kindle is picking good topic for books. With list that is definitely true, it is also important that you just get on with it. Many people before you have felt so overwhelmed and confused by making the decision of what you create a book on that they have never gotten any future with their Kindle venture. With list, there are no guarantee of success with Kindle. There never is with any business. I hope you are existing by the potential opportunity that Kindle provided you with. I hope you find this book useful and I wish you much success.